Hi, I'm Polly. So you've decided to paint a room in your house. The first thing is to decide on the type of colour that you want. You do that with a fan deck. Now I've been through the fan deck and I've decided that I like this colour here, pumpernickel. Obviously from the fan deck I can't see what it's going to look like in my house, so I need to come into the store and get a brush out to see what the colour looks like in a larger format. That way I can stand at the door and see what it looks like in the light and in the shade. But the best tool that you can have for choosing a colour for your house is a super swatch. Super swatch is a piece of paper that's already been painted out for you, and you can tape it onto your wall. You can put it in the light and in the shade and move it from the window, you know, behind the door. See what the colour looks like all around your room and make sure the colour is right for you.